iodide are mixed together. A white precipitate is formed. B. A green precipitate is formed. C. The mixture remains colorless. D. The mixture turns reddish brown. Solution. Iodine I2 is a dark red or reddish brown volatile solid. It is liberated from its acid source solution such as potassium iodide Kl when treated with oxidizing agents such as potassium trioxide 4 KiO3 as shown in the equation. 2 molecules of acidified potassium triiodide plus tetraoxosulfate 6 acid to give potassium tetraoxosulfate plus hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide plus oxygen to give hydrogen oxide plus iodine. Answer is D. Question 21. Solubility temperature curve. From the graph behind, the mass of crystal deposited when 1 dm cube of the saturated solution of sodium chloride is cooled from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade is A. 117.00 gram, B. 58.50 gram, C. 11.70 gram, D. 5.85 gram. Sodium is equal to 23, chlorine is equal to 35.5. Solution. From the solubility curves, the solubility of sodium chloride at 80 degrees is equal to 10 molecules dm cube. At 60 degrees is equal to 8 molecules per dm cube. On cooling from 80 degrees to 60 degrees is equal to 2 molecules per dm cube of sodium chloride crystal deposit, but 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to 58.5 gram. Therefore, 2 moles of sodium chloride is equal to 58.5 times 2, which is equal to 117 gram. Answer is A. Question 22. The solution with the lowest pH value is A. 5 milliliter of M molarity over 10 HCl. B. 10 milliliter of molarity over 10 HCl. C. 15 milliliter of 10 molarity over 10 HCl. D. 20 milliliter of M over 10 HCl. Solution. 5 milliliter of molarity over 10 hydrochloric is equal to 5 milliliter of 36.5 over 10. That is 5 milliliter of 3.65 gram of 5 milliliter of 0.1 mole. If 1000 cm cube is equivalent to 0.1 molarity, therefore 5 cm cube is equal to 0.1 over 1000 times 5 over 1, which is equal to 0.0005 mole, and 10 milliliters of molarity over 10 HCl is equal to 10 molarity of 0.1 mole. If 1000 cm cube is equivalent to 0.1 molarity, therefore 10 cm cube is equal to 0.1 over 1000 times 10 over 1, which is equal to 0.001 molarity. Also, 5 milliliters of molarity over 5 HCl is equal to 15 molarity of 36.5 over 5. That is 15 molarity of 0.2 molarity dm cube. Therefore, 15 molarities will contain 0.2 over 1000 times 15 over 1 is equals to 0.003 mole, and 20 milliliters of molarity over 8 hydrogen chloride is equals to 20 molarity of 36.5 over 8, that is 20 milliliters of 0.125 moles per dm cube. Therefore, the 20 milliliters contains 0.125 over 1000 times 20 over 1, which is equals to 0.0025 mole. Solution with 0.05 mole has the lowest pH, which is answer A. Question 23. The solubility product of copper to iodide, tetraoxo iodide, is 1.08 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. Assuming that neither ions react appreciably with water to form hydroxyl ion and hydroxyl ion, hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, what is the solubility of the salt? A. 2.7 times 10 raised to the power minus 7 mole per dm. B. 9.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 mole per dm. C. 3.0 times 10 raised to the power 3 mole per dm. D. 9.0 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 mole per dm. Solution. Solubility of a substance is the number of moles that can saturate 1 dm cube of water at a given temperature, whereas solubility product S defines a point at which saturated solution is about to precipitate. It is denoted by a constant X. Thus, on additions copper to iodide to 1 dm cube of water, it dissolves as shown. Copper iodide to form copper 2 ion plus 2 moles of iodine negative and oxygen negative ion. Let S be the number of moles of copper ion tetraoxide iodide that S dissolved in 1 dm of water. Thus, from the equation, moles of CuLO3 dissolve to produce S mole of Cu2 positive and 2 times moles of 10 to the base 3. At equilibrium, Cu2 positive is equal to S mole per dm cube, and 10 to base 3 is equal to 2 times moles per dm cube. For saturated solution, the solubility product is given as Cu raised to the 2 positive ion times 10 to the base 3 to the minus ion times 2, which is equals to S, which is equals to 1.08 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. That is, the concentration of S times 2x raised to the power 2 is equals to 1.08 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. That is, concentration of S times concentration of 4s squared is equals to 4s squared. Therefore, 4 raised to the power 3 is equals to 108 times 10 raised to the power 7. That is, 4 times 3 raised to the power 3 is equals to 108 times 10 raised to the power 9. Therefore, S cubed is equals to 108 times 10 raised to the power 9 over 4, which is equals to 27 times 10 raised to the power 9. Therefore, S is equals to cube root of